Welcome to the video that answers the question, what is the kindergarten eNumeracy screener? The eNumeracy Diagnostic Screener for Kindergarten is an individual performance assessment to be given to every kindergarten student at the beginning of the school year. The district provides an easel binder with the assessment, examiner score sheets, and progress monitoring information to each kindergarten teacher. If you don't have your binder yet, please contact your learning liaison and they will ensure you receive one. The easel binder allows the binder to stand up on its own on a table between the student and the teacher. The teacher has their examiner score sheet and something to write with on their side of the binder, and the student reacts to the visual stimulus provided on the student side of the binder, as well as any verbal directions the teacher may be prompted to give. In this example of what the student sees, the student is presented with a practice item so that they will understand how the items in this section are formulated and what sort of response is expected of them. The corresponding teacher side gives directions to the teacher to demonstrate the item type, which is about matching quantities to numerals. The teacher is directed to say that these are numbers and these are dots, while pointing on the student's side of the binder. The teacher asks the student to point to the number that tells how many dots there are. Once the teacher is assured that the student understands, then there are more items to try, for which the teacher will record student responses on their examiner score sheet. The examiner score sheet is found behind the first divider in the easel binder. There are 10 copies that are provided to you initially. When you run out, the examiner score sheet is posted on the Math Personalized Learning site for you to print and copy. You'll need 1 copy for each of your students. As you can see, the score sheet is divided up into several sections. Watch our next video to find out more about each section.